Guys, I know most of you must have heard about the programming language C++, but do you know there are various online sources through which you can learn them and various job opportunities in the same field? Doesn't it sound interesting? So today we are going to be talking about the same. So hello everyone, I hope each one of you is doing amazing. Guys, today I'm back here again with a video regarding programming language C++. So, starting with the very beginning, let's know about what is C++ language. So, C++ is an advanced version of programming language C, as the name suggests. It is object-oriented programming language that can be executed on higher level computer tasks. It can be used to develop operating systems, games, graphical user interface, backend and high performance systems and applications. The language C++ can be used to develop applications that run on multiple platforms, such as servers, personal computers, cloud based systems, and mobile devices too. Companies like Adobe, Microsoft Office, Amazon, and Mozilla Software utilizes C++ for the fast processing. Now let us know about some of the characteristics of C++ programming. So, it is not a purely object oriented language, but a hybrid containing the programming of C language. Now, what are the benefits of object oriented language? So, it has many advantages like reduced susceptibility of errors, easy reuse, and lower maintenance requirement, much efficient and close to the machine programming, and portable programs for various platforms. Coming to the organization of C++ language, so it bridges the gap between the programmer and the raw computer to organize a program in a way that is understandable by person. So जो understanding capacity है वो बढ़ाता है ये. The compiler then translates the language into something the machine can use. It consists of two main parts, which is data and instructions. Computers are designed to be the most general format. Most importantly, there are some of the prerequisites to learn C++ program. So, to learn a C++ program, a C++ compiler is required to start working on the system. One does not have to download a C++ software, but a compiler. आपको compiler download करना है. So, compiler is a computer program that converts the human's programming language into the computer language. There are various compilers for different operating systems, like for Windows, Code Blocks, then Borderland C++, Microsoft Visual C++, and Turbo C++. For Linux, G++ is a C++ compiler that comes with most NIX distributions, and for Mac, Apple Xcode, C++ code block. Okay? Today we are discussing with you the C++ programming language only because it has some future importance, some future reference. Like in the astronomy field, there is a bright future for astronomical engineers as C and C++ is the only language adopted in the field of astronomy. Then, in the field of accounting and finance, since C or C++ supports the feature of creating databases, C and C++ can make the process of accounting much easier and simpler. Then, in the field of bioinformatics, bioinformatics relate to the storing data of genetic sequences or the different species in the world. C and C++ finds its application in bioinformatics that proves to be fast and efficient. Now, coming to the most important part of the video, the various websites and courses to learn C++ language. Number one is Udacity. It provides the users with nano degree program with the basics of coding to high performance programming to become a C++ developer. This may include making video games, operating systems, robotic software, and coding self driving cars. This is 4 weeks long course with 5 hands-on projects. Then second one is Udemy. So it provides the users with courses that are free of cost and the learner only need to pay for the certificate. There are various courses on C++ programming, like C++ tutorial for complete beginners, then beginning C++ programming and beginner to beyond, then C++ from beginner to expert. तो देखिए 3 stages में है ये. Then is the LinkedIn learning. So LinkedIn is one of the best platform to learn short-term courses. There are various courses on C++ that are offered by LinkedIn Learning. First is C++ Essential Learning, which is 5.5 hours course covering the basics to an intermediate level topics. After completion, the candidate receives a verified certificate. Then is Learning C++. ये भी एक दूसरा foundation C++ course है that provides the users with the basics of C++ in a very short duration of time. This course is of 2.5 hour duration. Then the next website is the Coursera. So C++ for programmers part A. This is a 16-hour long course that teaches you to convert from C to C++. Then object oriented data structure in C++, the another course offered by Coursera. It is 21 hours long course on C++ taught by the professionals from best institutes. Then the next website is Code Academy. So Code Academy is another platform that provides free coding class for candidates who wish to learn C++ programming. Best part ये कि free है. They provide a course that consists of 8 sections, summing up to 20 hours long course having projects based on real life to get a hand on the learning material. केवल इतने ही websites नहीं है, there are various others like Solo Learn, then Pluralsight, then learncpp.org, then edX, various. At the end, it completely depends upon you कि आप किससे learn करना चाहते हैं if you really want to, if you really are interested in this field. Our today's video would be incomplete if we don't discuss about the demand and pay scale for C++ programmers. Like at the end, we have to judge, is it right for us to learn the C++ language? So in India, there is comparatively less demand for C++ language, but there is a large percentage of developers who know C and C++ language. In India, the pay scale for programmer varies between 2 to 30 lakhs depending upon the knowledge, skills, and experience of the candidates. But from the job perspective, it is the minimum required language that a programmer should know. So it is a prerequisite. Thus, it can be concluded that C and C++ are the base for the development of other programming languages. ठीक है, base है तो you should know that. Then various jobs after C++ programming language are programmer, software developer engineer, C or C++ analyst, programming architect, database developer, software developer, quality analyst, game program, and various others. Guys and girls, that was all for today's video. I really do hope that I was capable enough of providing you with all the important information regarding C++ programming language. I discussed with you all the sources, all the digital sources through which you can learn C++ programming language. And if you really are interested, do consider these sources. I really do hope you liked this video, and if you really did, don't forget to like the button, subscribe to our channel, comment down your views in the comment section below, and share this video as much as you can to whosoever you can. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye. Take care.